Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself buried under a mountain of tags in Mailchimp, not quite sure how to keep things organized, today's tutorial is going to make your life a whole lot easier. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to delete and rename tags in Mailchimp, keeping your audience lists tidy and your email campaigns running smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open up Mailchimp and log into your account. Now, this might sound basic, but I always recommend taking a moment to double-check that you're in the right workspace, especially if you manage more than one brand or project. Little details like that can save you a lot of headaches later on. Once you've landed on your Mailchimp dashboard, look over to the left-hand side. You'll see a menu, and from here you'll want to select Audience. The Audience section is essentially the home for all your contacts. It's like the Rolodex for your email marketing. A quick reminder, if you have multiple audiences, make sure you pick the one you actually want to manage. This helps avoid cleaning up the wrong list. Now that you're in the right place, go ahead and click on Tags. Tags are Mailchimp's way of letting you label your contacts, sort of like sticky notes that help you organize everyone by interest, status, or any custom label you've set. If your list is anything like mine, it probably gets cluttered over time, so it's always worth reviewing what you have here, where you can really start to tidy things up. In the list of tags, look up at the top right for an option called Manage Tags. Click on that. This opens up management options for all your tags, giving you a bit more control over how everything is arranged. Now let's say you need to rename a tag. Maybe you made a typo, or perhaps you want to make the label clearer for future campaigns. Scroll through your tag list and select the one you want to change. On the far right of that tag row, you'll see a small arrow or drop-down next to an option that usually says View. Click this arrow. This reveals a set of additional actions you can take for that specific tag. From the menu that pops up, select Rename. This brings up a little window where you can type the new name for your tag. Take your time here. Choose something descriptive that will make sense to you or your team later on. Once you're happy with the new name, just hit Save. And that's it, your tag has a brand new label, making your workflow a little more streamlined. Now let's talk about deleting tags. Maybe you've got old labels that don't serve a purpose anymore, or you just want to clear out some clutter. From the same tags management list, find the tag you want to remove, select it, and look for the Delete button, usually right at the top of the list. Click it and Mailchimp will ask you to confirm, just to be sure you're not deleting anything by accident. It might take a few moments to process, but after that, the unwanted tag is gone for good. Don't worry if you make a mistake, you can always create a new tag if you need to. That's the whole process. As you can see, keeping your Mailchimp tags organized isn't difficult, but taking a few minutes now can save you tons of time when you're running big campaigns later. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment below with any questions. I'd love to help. And if you want more straightforward guides just like this, make sure you subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.